Have you heard about our guaranteed sale program? Not a lot of things in life are guaranteed, but when it comes to selling your house, it's a guarantee with us. We've helped almost 100 plus families here on the Eastern Shore with our guaranteed sale program. We take the stress out of finding a buyer, wondering if you're going to sell on time, any of that crazy stuff. We give you peace of mind. We let you pick your settlement date, and we make it so easy. Our guaranteed sale program has made so much noise. It was just featured in one of the largest real estate publications in the world, Inman News. When it comes to selling your house, it can be really stressful. You got to worry about, are you going to settle on time? What happens if the buyer's loan falls through? All these things happen. With our guaranteed sale, you don't have to worry about that. We've helped homeowners buy and sell on the same day with peace of mind, stress-free and easy because of our guaranteed sale. So if you want to buy another house and you're worried about selling your house and doing both at the same time, you've got to move out of town, all these different things that you have to worry about. With us, you don't. Our guaranteed sale gives you peace of mind, and it takes away the stress and the drama when it comes to selling your house. If you're thinking about selling your house, contact us. We'll tell you about this program and all the different programs that we have that made us the #1 team in the state of Maryland and top 5 in the U.S. Now's the time to sell. Give us a call.